John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this fun T-Rex character. Alright, out of all the dinosaurs I've ever played with when I was a kid and I enjoyed, T-Rex was always one of my favorite ones. So, why not? I thought of sharing with this little T-Rex guy. Alright, so if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, what can you take home from this lesson? Easy sneezy stuff. You ready? Go open up a book or go online and check out other dinosaurs and pick one of your favorite ones and draw it. And just look at that illustration or somebody else's cartoon version, whatever it might be, and just break it down and have a great time doing it. And as always and always, I want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.